Alright, I got the Ultra Spin bonus, and the $9.76 bet. Nothing too big to start out with, but let's see what it's at. Need a lot of birds. Come on, birds and words. Birds and words. Bird. Alright, bird. Come on, birds and words. Bird. Birds and words. Come on, save me. Last spin. Save it. Save it. Thank you. Birds and words. Birds and words. Birds and words. One more save. One more save. Come on. One more. Alright, we got the double up feature, 5 cent denom. $2.40 bet. Come on, bigger than that, I need a word. Come on. Word. I need a word like major. Major word. Alright, mini. Take it, $50. How about bigger now? Come on, minor. Minor, major. Save me on bottom. Save it. Alright, last spin on the bottom. Come on, save it. Last spin on top. Yeah, they thought I had enough of the mini. Alright, that's not too bad. Started at about 300, so I'm up about $91.